That's impossible. If we turn the face around, he's gonna have his nose right up the...
Don't let your kids watch it!
Now time for something completely...
What?
Time for...
Look out for this one, though. She's a little...
Ah, what a beautiful day it is! Now that I finally got light shades, I can finally watch it! Don't watch it.
I might just have to get a copy of that,
Firecracker.
so you can email it, I can message you my... That's pretty good. I've done jump scares in the past myself. Take a look if you go on YouTube.
Apple juice.
Updated version. It's in my, account. It's on my account, and also I made a custom logo for...
Chew your pen and paper.
Those are my 2 attempts at jump scares. Okay, we got less than a minute to go. Okay, now we do. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds. I ate too much, and I might throw it up when this screamer comes on. I'm literally scared right now. I'm not kidding you. You just got this long black screen and da-da-da-da-da. For some reason... Okay, jump scares coming on. Female version. That was...
Rubbish.
And now I feel like that demon is downstairs. I'm in a 2-story house. I feel like that is gonna jump out of my closet or something right now.
This, folks, is a rubbish production.
Apple juice.
Show.
Eggs.